A roof leak can spread fast and cause serious damage if it's not addressed right away. If you notice water stains, dripping, or storm damage, you need a qualified team that can respond quickly and protect your home. Intermountain West Contractors provides emergency roof repair across Utah with certified in-house installers trained to find the source and stop leaks fast. With over 25 years of experience in platinum-level certification, homeowners trust IWC Roofing to handle urgent roof issues with clarity and care. Visit our website or call us at 801-2325-690.